Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I have another haul here today from the Stamps of Life. Just a really small haul. The big thing that I did order is on back order, and I did this haul, I believe, with my gift card. Gift card? I don't remember. But I did get $40 worth of gift certificates for my annual membership, and I used that to buy, it's being sold separately, so I used that to buy a Spellbinders platinum die cutting and embossing machine, the 8.5 platform, and it is on back order until the end of this month, I believe, so hopefully that'll be coming soon. And the other dies I did get though are this, and this looks Hawaiian-ish. That's why I got it. It looks very much like a quilt piece. It is a snowflake. It does have the border die, so I'm excited to show you how that cuts out, and as well as the Happy New Year since we are approaching. And it also has a shadow piece, so stay tuned, and I'll be back with the samples. Sorry if you can hear background noise. I have family visiting, but I just wanted to share this quickly before I go. The samples that I said, the cutout samples. So this is the die and the shadow, and this is how it cuts out. Look at that, and the shadow, and then you can use the reverse to make something else. So that's that die. Score. And then the Happy New Year one. Here's the word and the shadow. And then these are the ones that I cut out with glitter paper, foil paper, and just regular paper. But yeah, so it's a pretty good size. So yeah, that's my mini haul. Wait till I get my new platform die cutting machine from Spellbinders. I will be making tons of samples for you. But hope you like this video. Please consider sharing it for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas.